Good afternoon, boys and girls. It is science time. Today's date is September the 30th, 2020. Please be sure that you write your first name, last name, and your number on all of your assignments. Today we are going to continue with properties of matter. Today we are going to be discussing heat. What does it mean to add heat to matter? Okay. We're going to draw examples of heat and cooling, heating and cooling. Okay. You're going to fill out the worksheet, first name and last name, always writing your first name and your last name on all of your assignments. Okay. Where have you observed items cooling down? Draw 3 examples of items cooling. Students should be able to describe the locations or situations in which they have observed items cooling, such as in a freezer, in a cooler, outside in the winter, or any other relevant situation. So we're going to draw 3 examples of an item that is cooling. So for example, if you have a glass of water and you add ice cubes to it, you are going to cool it down. You're going to cool it. If you add ice cubes to your drink, it cools it and it makes it nice and cold to drink. Then you're going to draw me 2 other examples on your own. Draw 3 examples of matter changing by heat. Students should be able to identify locations or situations which they have observed items heating up, such as on the stove, in the microwave, on a fire, in the car on a very hot day, or any other relevant situation. So what I'm going to draw is, I'm going to draw campfire. And then on the campfire, we have a little fire. We have some children. A child that is holding a stick with a marshmallow to make s'mores. So this child is heating the marshmallow by placing it on top of the fire. Okay? He's adding heat to the marshmallow so that he can make a s'more. Now you're going to draw me 2 other examples of heating. How do you change matter by adding heat to it? You can show me an example of popping popcorn, an example of ice outside, just not in the freezer. If you lay a piece of ice outside, that ice cube is going to melt. It melts because the heat around is hotter than the ice cube. So we add heat to the ice cube, it's going to melt. So you're going to draw me 3 examples of items cooling down and 3 examples of items changing if you add heat to them. Thank you, boys and girls. Have a good afternoon.